Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome to our channel, Fashion Forward. Today we are talking about every woman's favorite shoe style, stiletto high heels, from sandal to pumps. We shall cover it all. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at the history of stilettos. Did you know that they have been around since the 1950s? They were first introduced by Italian shoe designer Roger Weaver. Since then, they have become a staple in every woman's shoe wardrobe. Stilettos come in various styles, from classic pumps to trendy sandals. You can choose from a range of heel heights, materials, and designs to suit your personal style. Whether you are going to a formal event or just want to elevate your everyday look, stilettos are the perfect choice. But let's be real, stilettos can be intimidating. How do you wear them without looking like you are about to topple over? Do not worry, we have got you covered. Here are some tips on how to style your stilettos like a pro. From pairing them with the right outfit to walking like a runway model, we shall share your expert advice. Wearing stilettos can make you feel confident, sexy, and powerful. They can also help improve your posture and make your legs look longer and toned, but we know that wearing them can be painful at times. So, here are some tips to help you wear them comfortably all day long. From choosing the right size to using foot cushions and art sport, we shall share our secrets. We are talking about the ultimate combination for a stylish and confident look: pantyhose, nylon stockings with stiletto high heel sandals and pumps. Let's talk about the benefits of wearing pantyhose with stilettos. They add comfort and sport, prevent blisters and toe cramps, and come in a range of colors and styles to match your outfit. When choosing the right pantyhose to wear with your stilettos, consider the color of your shoes. If you are wearing black stilettos, opt for black or nude pantyhose. If you are wearing colored stilettos, try matching your pantyhose to your shoes or your outfit. Here are some styling tips. Pair your pantyhose with a short skirt or dress to show off your legs. Wear high-waisted pantyhose to elongate your legs, and try sheer pantyhose with sandals or opaque pantyhose with pumps. Common mistakes to avoid: do not wear pantyhose that are too tight or too loose. Avoid holes or runs, and remember to wear a pair of garters or a girdle to keep your pantyhose in a place. Pantyhose nylon stockings with stiletto high heel sandals and pumps are a match made in heaven with the right tips and tricks. We are talking about a shoe style that's perfect for warm weather and making a statement: high heels sandals. High heeled sandals are a great option for women who want to add some height and glamour to their outfit without sacrificing comfort. With a range of heel heights, materials, and designs to choose from, there's a pair of high heel sandals out there for everyone. Let's talk about the benefits of high heels sandals. They can elongate your legs, make your feet look smaller, and add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Plus, they are perfect for showing off a fresh pedicure. Now let's talk about the different types of high heel sandals. From Strapito to black heel sandals, they are a style to suit every tasty and ocean. Some popular option includes classic stilettos with a thin steel heel, black heel sandals with a thicker, more comfortable heel, ankle strap sandals with the strap that wraps around the ankle, T-strap sandals with the strap that goes between the big and second toes. Here are some styling tips. Pair your high heel sandals with a short dress or skirt to show off your legs. Wear them with distressed denim jeans for a more casual cool vibe. Try them with a flowy maxi dress for a bohemian look. Pair them with a tailored suit for a more professional look. Some common mistakes to avoid when wearing high heel sandals include wearing them with the socks for a specific fashion look, wearing them with the pants that are too long, not breaking them in before wearing them out. High heel sandals are a great option for women who want to add some glamour and comfort to their outfit. With the right tips and tricks, you can wear them with confidence and styles. Thanks for watching everyone. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion content.